to BLUSHESSWEETLY. Hi, how are you? Good. And as you can obviously see, we are at Dollar General. We are going to see if they have those cones so we can do the glitch deal. Oh, and also pick up with some dish soap too. Buy one get one free. But we gonna get the glitch part first. Thanks, Gma. Let's see what they have. Yeah. I don't know if there's enough, but we're surely going to try. And I think there's some sprays, or one spray I saw. Oh, it's cashmere. Okay. So the glitch is, we have a $3.75 off coupon, digital coupon for GLADE. 2 items, and it's not supposed to work on obviously these dollar items, but from what I see was this flavor. Also saw some people have that flavor and this cashmere one down there, so I'm gonna pick up enough. Alrighty, so the ones that I scanned, the clean linen is working. This is lemon fresh and Hawaiian. Not this one or that is attaching. Alrighty, I scanned the ones that I have on the shelf, and this one is attaching. This one is attaching. This one is attaching. That one is attaching. And this, wait, did I already try? No. Oh, and this one is attaching. So, yeah. Alright, just found some more. The clean linen and the Hawaiian breeze. Alright, those are the ones that are working. Alrighty, the next deal that I'm going to do is picking up some of these palm olives. They are buy one get one free, and that is on the palm olive as well as the Ajax over there. But I'm going to pick me up some palm olive. Alright everyone, this is what my receipt is looking like after buying 2 of the Glades and 2 of the palm olive, and using that overage onto our palm olive that was buy one get one free. It was subtotal $1.25 with tax $1.77. So each of my transactions were all under $2, and that is including tax. Now let me show you the next thing that I got. Bam! I got me my pizza. Another one. If you have that $1.50 off coupon, use that digital with this. This pizza right now is on sale for $5. Normally, I think it's $7 or $7.50 or $6.95, something like that. Anywho, if you see my previous video, I have bought this before. It is very good. It is flaky and buttery. I really do enjoy this. So from $5 down to $3.50 just with this digital coupon. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon for the DiGiorno. Only, I think it's just for this croissant one here. Okay, and I'm going to show you my receipt. Alrighty, just wanted to show you my transaction, how that went with the pizza. Got those 2 items and the pizza. Hi, Ashley. Okay, so I have paired that with this right here. As you can see, the Glade, because they did not have any more palm olive or Ajax, which again, I don't really care for Ajax, but so I did the Glade, and then with the overage, I put that on. So I paid $1.75 just for that pizza and the Glade. So for the 3 items, we have a savings of $5.25, and again, $1.88 with tax. So spent less than $2 even for that one. So alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.